Well, it's Monday, start of a brand new trading week. Masters weekend was this past weekend. Very fun and just overall great, and a very solid and fun trading day. We had decent movement, and the trade, honestly, I didn't really leave wishing that I could have done anything different, which is a great feeling, especially on a Monday. We're gonna go and dive into the trade and the recap and why I took it. The live streams happen on my main channel, Trades by Matt, every day at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So make sure you come hang out over there for the actual live streams. Last but not least, you can use code TBM to get 80% off right now off of your Apex accounts. Again, I'm using the 50K, 20 of them. The 50K is $37 with the 80% off. So go get you one if you want one, and let's dive into the recap. Yo, good morning. Welcome. All right. Happy Monday. Hopefully you had a fantastic Masters weekend. As a whole, no complaints for me. I said it on Friday and Thursday that I do like, said it all last week. I like Scotty a lot. Great guy. He played great golf. Really was pulling for Homa, to be honest. I once Bryson kind of let the ball go, I was like, all right, let's go Homa. Man, that terrible bounce on hole number 12 really screwed Homa. But I think there's a major in his future, and I'm pumped for him for that. But he played great golf. Except for that one hole, he literally played very, very consistent golf, which was exciting. Overall, fun weekend for sure. So other than the Masters, we had some global news, obviously. Iran sending stuff to Israel, Israel potentially bouncing back, things like that. It's not to get political, because we are literally trading markets here. It's kind of the same thing every day. I saw like a ton of doom and gloom posting on Twitter, even in the Discord a little bit. These things typically just like boost everything. I mean, we're up 0.87% right now, almost up a percentage point pre-market. Oil would be the only thing that, in my opinion, would go nutty. And I pulled it up today to see, and we're currently 0.8%, so nothing too 8% down, nothing too crazy. So we'll see what happens. It was definitely like, I don't know. We'll see. So we're up almost a percentage point. We're right near the overnight highs. We got value area high and VWAP at 260, 270. We hold the line there at 260, 270 to really 260 to 280. I'll call it that zone. We hold the line there. I think it's uppies. We get back below 280 to 260. Rotations down, I think, could be pretty legit and fairly severe on the retrace. But as of right now, we are barcoding, and it makes sense as far as the barcode goes for like 480, right? It's kind of the top spot. We're right in the middle of like the last 3 days daily range, so 480 would be the top side of that, assuming we float it, right? But we'll see what happens. Markets are opening. Good luck. Be smart. Be patient. Let's have a day. News-wise on today as well, we've got housing market index and business inventories at 9 o'clock, and that's about it. Gonna wait for the pajama trade to retrace. Yeah, I think it's pretty likely. We're kind of seeing it right now, actually. 300 psych level. We'll see if it holds. We got volume building down here. I kind of think it doesn't, but that's just me. I have a golf tournament this afternoon. I got a little charity golf scramble, and I'm rocking the TBM shirt. Check it out. What a great time for a charity golf scramble. The day after the Masters. So fired up to be playing golf. Can't wait to shake it. All right, there's VWAP. Dude, nice flush, honestly. I did not think at 300 that point, like with volume down there, that we would necessarily continue the flush. I'm happy to see we did. Value area high could be kind of interesting. Not a ton of selling going on, but retracing a lot of upside movement on the overnight makes a lot of sense. Just an inventory correction. So we'll see. Definitely worth, for me, definitely worth being patient for. I got no intention of trading this for 10 minutes, another 10 minutes. And then even then, just like being very, very picky on the day. Just high stress environments with global news, it's typically not a bad idea to be pretty picky. So I'm going to be. In fact, it's not a bad idea no matter what. All right, bouncing yesterday's value area high right now. Back above point of control in 80. I think it looks a little boosty. But we'll see. You never trade the first 15 minutes? I don't. I used to way back in the day. And it was just so like, I just hated, I loved when things would go right. And it happened so fast. And then I would hate when things just went wrong. And like, you know, I'm already tilted on the day, borderline like knocked out. Maybe I am completely knocked out. It's just not it. So I just stopped completely. After the stream, you trade more than one contract, right? No, I do not. Not on these accounts. Bad trick of the day. Oh yeah. April 15th, Monday, tax day. All right, here we go. My friend was showing me his tool shed and pointed to a ladder. That's my step ladder, he said. I never knew my real ladder. I don't know about that one. The bar's so low now. Yeah, I do agree with that statement. All right, we're 33 minutes into the session. We haven't really done much. I really liked that value area high buy. That spot makes a lot of sense, and we've held it so far. Other than that, haven't really seen much. After the value area high buy, I was talking about probably, I don't remember where, probably middle of the range, honestly. We've been middle of the range since then, essentially. I want to see 350 probably get swept, overnight highs. Bro, I'm super gigalong. Another retrace of 260, another test of it of 260, I think is not good. So between 260 and 350 is kind of mucky, in my opinion. All right, back below value area high, in theory, is the rotation down into overnight lows. Yesterday's point of control. It's all 100 points lower. That slap was worth 80 points. 20 to 40 in the last 10 minutes or so. I'd probably like to see a little bit of a heavy close and come back up and retrade this value area high 60 level. Potential short. Nice yoinks, huh? How about it? How about it? Coming up on, that's 100 points in the last 6 minutes, almost 7 minutes. And coming into yesterday's close and yesterday's point of control. 170s. Yesterday's close 180s. That will be an interesting spot to watch and see kind of what Delta's doing. I'm not trying to fade this by any means, and I'm not trying to necessarily get in short down here. So it's in that weird fun spot of like, okay, the move is happening. Do I want to join in on the move 100 points into the move? Not really. Do I want to play the bounce back up? Not really. Wait and see if there's something better for the continued downside, because this is obviously pretty heavy. All right, here comes 60. Let's see. It's tough with current buying. I'm gonna take a quick stab and see what happens, because we got Delta also right above. All right, I'm in short on the untested wick. This will be a quick scalp. I really want to trade that prior high. I don't know if it'll happen, but that's what I would like to see. We're at 250 psych level. I'm gonna go take it off. Oh, right. I kill it right as I I market it out right as it fills out. That's it's okay. Or I think it would have gotten filled out. It would have been very close. That's a great trade though. I'm very happy with that. I got no complaints. No complaints. Some of those got very good. 270, 270, 270, 270, 270 across the board until these 215s. That's like an extra, what, 3 points? I told you, I clicked my flatten button right as we surged down. And then there's like a slight latency on these, like a very slight latency that gave me the extra $60. So anyways, overall, that's $5,000 on the day.